Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost tokens on Coinbase Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover lost tokens on Coinbase Pro, start by logging into your Coinbase Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Click on the Balances section to view your available assets. If you can't find your tokens, scroll down to the Order History tab. Check if there have been any recent trades that might have affected your balance. If you suspect an error, move to the Help section at the bottom of the page. Search for the term Lost Tokens in the Help Center. Review the articles for guidance on recovery options. If you require further assistance, look for the Submit a Request button. Fill out the form, specifying the issue with lost tokens. Provide as much detail as possible, including transaction IDs and approximate dates. Submit the request and wait for a response from Coinbase Pro's support team. Monitor your email for updates regarding your inquiry. If your tokens were sent to the wrong address, try to contact the support team immediately. Follow any additional instructions provided in their response. Be patient, as recovery can take some time depending on the situation. Keep records of all communication with support for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.